Hey, what's up YouTube? Shenay Nycole. I'm just letting you know I am headed to Joann's Fabric. I'm officially a licensed contractor for Joann's Fabric, which means I can teach like their evening classes or weekend courses on whatever I like to teach. In my case, it's going to be related towards fashion design and more fashion geared. So I can teach anything from like pattern making to illustration, sewing, whatever pops into my mind basically with sewing or fashion. So I'm excited. It's their open house. I'm headed there to set up a little table to demonstrate and showcase my work. So I'm bringing some of my jashersbrand items with me, so I'm really excited to not only promote jashersbrand but to also showcase my skills and what I can do and reach out to the customers and see if they'd be interested in online or private courses. Hey, don't forget to follow at jashersbrand on Instagram, and also go check out the website www.jashersbrand.com. and I'm headed there now, so I can't wait. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and I'll catch up with you later. And I'm giving directions around the store because I come here so much. I know where everything is. So where like 5 or 6 different fabrics are, and I know where everything is. I might as well work here. I come here a lot. I live here. Hi. Right now I'm working on the men's drop crotch joggers. I am sewing the two, pinning and sewing the two back pieces together right now. So I'm creating that seam line. It's going to be a really baggy, exaggerated type of look. So I'm excited. I'm really happy to be here. I was nervous at first, but I honestly feel like I'm in my element, and doing what I love. I'm at a store that I love, and I'm using the fabrics from here, from Joann's Fabrics. I'm just overall just really happy, and I like talking to the people as they come in the door. So this is store 2089, and they can ask for the education coordinator. They can also go online to Joann Fabric classes and register for a class as well. The address is on Centerton Road in Mount Laurel, New Jersey. We gotta get Jasher some cake to celebrate. Hello, hi, how are you? Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. As y'all saw, I was at Joann's Fabrics doing my thing. I was demonstrating my pattern making and sewing skills because I will be working with Joann's as a licensed contractor. So outside of my teaching job, I will also be working at Joann's Fabric. And I'm just enjoying myself. Today I was able to network with a lot of people, and some people showed interest and signed up for the courses. They have an open house going on right now. So you could come and sign up for classes at a discount, things like that. And it's at the Mount Laurel store, Mount Laurel, New Jersey, store 2089. If you're interested in courses, and you just come in and let them know you're interested, and they'll get you all signed up for classes. So me personally, I'm teaching anything dealing with sewing and pattern making and illustration, anything fashion related. So just stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Shenay Nycole, ShenayNycole. And if you want to follow my clothing line, that's at jashersbrand on Instagram. And also check out the website. It's www.jashersbrand.com.